Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Or if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We always got content coming. Today, just gonna kind of show you guys what I did for my in-floor heating. Basically, it's DIY. It's kind of what I like to do, anyways. I did some research, kind of seen what some people did, some other people did, and kind of did what kind of worked for me. So let's go ahead and I'll show you. So I scored and actually got this boiler off Marketplace on Facebook for 350 bucks. It was in fully working condition. The guy told me it was, anyways. I know it's pretty skeptical buying stuff off Facebook and Kijiji and wherever it is, because you never really know. So then he kind of did some research, found out what exactly was required. I asked the guy that I bought it off of what he did and what he used and stuff like that. So basically, you need an expansion tank, which is this right here. That was, I don't know, 67 bucks or something that I bought it for. You need an air, kind of an air release, which is that right there. Kind of need that to get all the air bubbles out of the lines, because it does build air, or does create air in there, even though it's a closed system. I got a gauge here, just kicking on. But I got a gauge there that I bought off Amazon. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below if you guys want one of those. It's a pressure and a temperature all in one, which is kind of handy, so I can kind of see what's going out. You'll see here, actually, it's firing up. So it's going to kick on. As it's running, it's kicking off about 60 degrees. I have my pump here that is as well as off Amazon. It's a 3-speed, and I got it on the middle one. And actually, like, it works awesome. Now this isn't kind of done officially, but my thermostat is sitting on the floor. I have it set for about 18 degrees, and it's plenty warm in here. Basically, all the copper was the first time I ever did any copper soldering. Actually, I'm very happy with the way it turned out for my first time, anyways. It's definitely a lot easier than it looks. There's kind of some stuff I would have changed. I would have added a few more valves, but that's pretty minor. The one thing that is noted with that Amazon pump, actually, is kind of in the reviews, is that the flanges like to leak, which they didn't lie. Which I did actually add another round of thread tape and sealant on there, but I should have added one more, maybe 2 more rounds. But other than that, it's been holding. So at some point, maybe in the spring, or unless it becomes low, I've been running it basically on the return. It's about 30 pounds, or just shy of 30 pounds, and haven't had any issues. As well, there is a regulator on there, and that's just to obviously regulate the flow all the way so it's not cavitating or creating any issues. And then my lines running from the pump to the manifolds, and then from the manifolds back to the pump, just circulating. I'm running glycol in here, about a 70-30 mix, so 70% water, 30% glycol, just so that way if it ever freezes, I don't run into any issues. Now I'm running 2 zones in here, and it's basically the way it's split up is it's split right down the middle. It's not bay per bay. It's kind of the way I did it. You can kind of run it however you want. But yeah, no, that's my setup, and it works awesome. Hopefully, once I get my drywall all hooked up, or all hung up, I'll be able to get that all tidied up. It's just kind of slapped up there just to make it work for now, because I know I'm gonna have to move stuff around to get my drywall on. But no, it works awesome. For 350 bucks, you can't go wrong. Just as I got it all hooked up, winter was kind of starting, and once I got this thing going, it took probably in between 40 and 46 hours of non-stop running before this thing shut off to get this concrete up to temperature. So hopefully, if you guys were wondering what to do and how to do it, this is kind of what I did, and hopefully that answers any of your questions. If you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below. If this helps you at all, give it a like. I appreciate it when everybody comments, ask questions, because just like any of you guys, I learned this off of YouTube, learned it from looking for information, and hopefully this is enough information to help you guys do what you guys want to do, and yeah, go from there. Thanks for checking out the video, and we'll see you in the next one.